Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Storytime with Miss Baig. I'm so excited to share with you a wonderful story about a little girl who has a great imagination. The story is Little Zainab Wants to Fly by Suzan Sheikh and illustrated by Rehan Muazzam. Little Zainab wants to fly. Little Zainab wants to fly. Zainab is a super awesome toddler with an amazing imagination. One day she could be a doctor, saving lives, and another day a chef, serving world-class meals. As you read the book today, join her in this adventure as she imagines herself being a pilot and flies her plane soaring through the blue skies. Once you are done, enjoy making your own story and coloring the scenes of little Zainab. So come on, let's begin. Welcome to Zainab's world. Little Zainab wants to fly. Little Zainab wants to go up high. She set her goggles right as her jet begins to take flight. The sky is beautiful and blue, like a painter spread some color and white glue. Oh, she feels the fresh air blow her curly hair. Oh, look, that's Grandma's house right there. I miss my grandma, her heart begins to say. She's such a delight. I shall visit soon, I may. As Mommy calls out, sweetheart, we need to go back home. Little Zainab lands the jet. Off she goes back and out of her flying zone. The end. And here's the coloring pages that can go along with the story. Color me in. Here's the first picture. And then you can share your own story right here. Here is the next picture. And share your story right here. Here's another picture of little Zainab. And share your story right here. Right here. And then share your story right here. And here's the last page. The end. I know that you will have a lot of fun reading this story with your child and following along by coloring the wonderful pages and creating your own story. Thank you so much, Suzan, for allowing me to have the opportunity to read this wonderful, wonderful, and spectacular book. I look forward to reading more stories from other authors as well. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. See you soon. Assalamu alaikum. Bye now.